All right, hello. Now we're gonna work on the part which is like an extension of this product. Um, an extension of this product that is gonna have the the buttons. All right, so let's start with that. This is the design. It's gonna have a lid. So let's start with it's only gonna have two buttons. It's pretty simple, pretty small. These are the dimensions of the button that I think would be better for this project. So yeah, let's start. I'm gonna start by making a new um, part. I'm gonna call these clicker case. Um, I don't know why I have this drawing right there. That's weird. That's interesting. All right, that's pretty interesting because it doesn't appear here, but it's there. Weird. All right, so here let's do it in front actually. Let's go to front. Uh, front. There we go. That's super weird. Anyway, new sketch. I guess I'm just gonna have to ignore it. The shape is gonna be kind of like in an angle, and then a bit down, a bit like this, and a bit like that. And it's all gonna be in reference to the bottom dimension. So for example, I'm gonna make these lines perpendicular actually, as you can see, perpendicular. And it's gonna be just an, what's the word? Actually, let me do it again. I'm gonna do it like not so precise. Like here, like here, like, no, that didn't work. All right, sorry. That symbol that just appeared there, that little symbol is the one you're aiming for. Um, if you don't get it, like if by any chance all your lines are not straight, that's fine. What you can do is just select this line and this line, this line and this line, and say perpendicular. This is the button. And then say, hey, this line and this line perpendicular. And then say, hey, this line and this line perpendicular. And so with these three lines, which are going to be construction lines, we're going to simulate where the bottom would be. We just so we can get a reference of dimensions. Now let's see our drawing. It says the bottom. Oh, that's the only measurement I'm missing. But you know what? I'm gonna measure from here to here in the actual bottom that I have right here. I forgot to take the measurement. Anyway, um, it's you know what? I'm also gonna consider the parts of the cable that are stiff. So it's around 22. Um, so 22 is what we should be leaving like um, there, and the whole thing scales, so that's good. Um, and now at the bottom, it's 11.8, the diameter of the part that I'm 11.8. So I'm gonna do 11.8. There we go. And now with these dimensions, the cool thing is that I can like move this around, making sure this doesn't collide with the middle because the other button is gonna be on the other side. Um, and I can start playing around with these dimensions. So that's something nice. Um, yeah, kind of like this, but I want a bit of an angle. So that's the cool thing, as I said, like you can start playing around with this. Um, maybe these go here, go there. Just trying to make it. There we go. I think that's good. And now, well, actually, I don't need that much space here. So the minimum, the better. That should be the goal. Going towards the minimum space. I just need to hold the buttons in place. So I think this is good. that means I can now put some dimensions to it. So for example, here I can do 16. From here to here, I can do 150 divided by 2, like that. Let's do 14. Here there's also an angle. Let's do 120. I just like to round it up in. Let's do 40. Yeah, I think that's good. So 40. So yeah, and this thing could be in the middle. Actually, I shouldn't leave it to chance. I can just put this here, and this reference line is gonna be the center, and something I need to take a measurement of is from here to here, and this is gonna be 17.5. There we go. So this is the one I'm gonna try to remember. Great. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this line, 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 mirror with this line. That's good. And now, oh, I'm forgetting the little clingy things to wrap around. All right, that's good. Let's extrude. Let's do one thing at a time. One thing at a time. The bottom, it's 11.8, so just a bit bigger is good. Like, and the lid, you know, maybe this part could be 24, 25. 25 looks good. So let's do, oh, there it is, 25. Let's do it symmetric. All right, good. Actually, no, yeah, that's good. And now, here in front, I'm gonna make another sketch because I wanna do the thing that, so I'm gonna project this line. I'm gonna make a line from here to here to here to here to here to here. I'm gonna try to copy the other one actually, which I think I remember how I did. This line should be construction, just a reference, and then from here to here should be normal. From here to here you get 4. Everything was a 4 pretty much, except here to here. I remember I did it a bit bigger. It was, I think, 4.5. Oh, yeah, but that's not it. Oh my god. Same issue with the other one. And from here to here, 4.5. And then from here to here, do 4. And then I did some of these things, these fillets. I remember I did 3. That was a 1.5, I think. We'll do 1.5. Oh. Okay. So I can do one by one. Oh. Fillet. 3. And then 1.5. 0.5. 3.5. Now this and this should be like that. And then from here to here. There you go. That line was missing. Let's see if I can fit a 1.5 there. There we go. Yeah, I think that's good. Now I'm going to extrude 16 symmetric. There we go. And now I want to do the same on the other side. So I'm going to do this extrusion. I'm going to mirror it over entities to mirror. No, I want feature mirror, this extrusion, mirror plane, this plane. There we go. Now I'm going to make it hollow. So I'll select this face. I'm going to say shell 2.5. I think that's good. Yeah, 2.5 is good. Let me just check. Yeah, 2.5 is good. Awesome. We're almost there, as you can see. Good. I just need a... Uh-oh. Why is that there? That's weird. I think this sketch... Oh, you know what? I think this sketch should go after the shell and this extrude too. There we go. And then the mirror should happen as well after this extrude. There we go. Now there's no issue. Alright, we're getting there, What time is it? Okay, we got time. Now let's do the hole for the buttons. So in this phase, I want to make a sketch. And if we go back to this sketch, I want to turn it on. This line matters a lot because that's where the button should be. So I'm going to project to this sketch this little dot. And now when I see it from this side, I can see the dot where the center of my circle should be. So I can click here. Let's see the diameter. It's 11.8. Let's go for 12. And the difference is 13.8 and 11.8. So we can go something in the middle, like 12.2, 12.4. You see how that would work. 12.3 would work really well. 12.2 I think would work really well. 12.2, let's do that. Dimension 12.2. There we go. And now it's so simple that I can just make a cut, remove, up to next, right here. And then this extrusion, I can just, as mirror feature, this extrusion, I want to mirror it over the right plane. And now I have two holes, right? So that's good. Now I need a lid because I need to build it. So I need to close it and, you know, all those things. And for that, I'm gonna bring this piece actually to 3 printed parts. Also because I'm gonna be copying a lot of what I did in the previous ones. So for example, here, yeah, this one, this extrude shell, extrude this one, this little thing right here. I did 4 and 4 distance, and then I did 7.75. Actually, I can just copy and paste it. I think I can just do this, Command C, then go here, go to this face, new sketch, and then I can, oh, but you know what? The only issue is that I don't have a 90-degree angle. I mean, still might help me. um, give me just like a reference. So what I can do is I can do distance from here to here, do a 4. Oh, it's because I connected it. There we go. Now I can say, hey, from here to here, let's do 4. There we go. Now from here to here, let's do 4. There we go. And now this line, actually I don't need it. Come on. And here I can bring it down. Yeah, actually it's gonna work. Uh-oh. Yeah, there we go. And then I can go from here to here, and I can say, hey, this line and this line be parallel. There we go. And that's it. Now, well, almost. Actually, let's do it again. There we go. Now I can rotate this 90 degrees, confirm, and I can move this. Oh, come on. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my God, what am I doing? I can select the whole thing. Oh, there it is. Like there, kinda. And then I can say, hey, dimension from here to here. Let's do a 4. And then dimension from here to here. Let's do a 4. And then I can say, hey, this one, bring it over here. I mean, doesn't really matter that much. This and this, parallel. There we go. Yeah, that's good enough. And now what I can do is I can make a line right here. It can be a small line. Make a construction. Select all the little edges here, and then mirror with this line. There we go. And then I can say, hey, extrude the other way up to face. Which face? This face. There we go. Oh, why do I want so many though? 4 bolts for this? That's too much. No, it's good. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, why not? And now I just want to check what's the diameter I use here? 4.8. And what's the oh, come on. You can just ignore those, okay. Oh, that planes. Why can I see a sketch? What is this sketch coming from? Well, anyway. Why is it not giving me the oh, I have to probably click here and here. 6. So 4.8 and 6, we can do that. So now, again, a new sketch here. And I can look for the center that is concentric to this one. Do you see that? I set circle and then I touch on this, just touch it, just don't click on it, and then you look for this point, which is the concentric point to that part of a circle. And then here we said, before I forget, 4.8, 4.8, and then here again, whoop, 4.8, and then I can select, I can make a new line here as well. This line is gonna be construction, and then I can say, hey, you and you, mirror with this line. Oh, okay, it worked. There it is. And now I want to extrude, remove 4, no, 6. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, I can turn off that sketch. Almost there. Now we need to make a cut here. A little cut for the cables to go out. New sketch here. I should just make a circle. I'm gonna buy a 1/4 of an inch cable like cover. So we can do 1/4 of an inch. And it gives you the dimension in millimeters. So here we can just, I don't know, 2.5. I think that's good. And then we can just cut, remove, through all. There we go. And now, what time is it? Okay, we're good. Okay, we're almost done. The only thing that we need to do now is the lid here on top. I think we can do it. The only thing I need is this sketch. I'm gonna copy sketch. I'm gonna make a new part. Create part studio. I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna call it clicker lid. And now, let's see if I can paste it. Paste sketch. There we go. And now this sketch, I can edit right plane. No, I want it to be another plane. The front one. There we go. So now I have the same sketch, which is really good because now I don't have to redraw it. And I have all the measurements here. Awesome. Actually, yeah, I can just, something that really matters to me is that the bolt heads are hidden. So this is a distance of 6, I remember that. And then I just need to cover the head of the bolt. And for that, I can just go back to here, bolts. This one is I think it's 3. I'm pretty sure it's 3. 3, yeah. 3. All right, so we can go back here, 3 printed parts, clicker lid, and I can extrude 9, and we can do 3 and 6, yeah. Uh-oh, but how do I know? Okay, I know. Yeah, I do know. Okay, new sketch. Come on, we got this. I remember it was 4 and 4, so we can just put a circle here, and then put a circle here, and then we can say dimension from here to here. It was like this. Yes, I remember that. 4, and then from here to here. 4, and then same thing from here to here. 4, 4, and then I can do dimension this to be how much was it? 4.8? 4. No. What was it? 6.4, and then 4 for that. 6, yeah, right? 4, yeah. 6.4 and 4. Yeah? Oh my god, I need better memory. 6.4, all right. So this is 6.4. This is 6.4. Let's check something quick. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. And now I can do. Oh, it's not centered. Look at this, it's not centered. I'm gonna center this really quickly. This line and this should be coincident. No, not like that. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. Okay, it's not messing up. That's good. I think I'm missing some, like, some things can move, and I don't like that. What if I say you and you, please be coincident? Oh my god, I think it moved. Alright, I think that looks good. Why are some things blue? Oh, I see. Oh, well, that's not much of a deal. I see what it is. This line is not vertical. Be vertical. And now I can say you and you be coincident. There we go. I'm just gonna trust because I don't have much time. Edit from here. Make a line. This line can be construction, and then this and this and this, mirror, and then extrude, and then remove, and then 3. And now here I can do a new sketch on this plane, circle, I know I shouldn't be doing this, but whatever. I should be using mirror and stuff. 3, no, 4, 4. You can click D to apply a dimension. D, and then click D, 4, and now I can cut, remove, through all. There we go. Now something I wanted to check if I could do is to do a shell. Click it, this face, look at that, and that saves you a lot of material. Ain't that cool? It is cool, right? Yeah. So let's click save. I mean, it's just thick because, you know, we just want to save. What time is it? How much time do I have? 7:30. Okay, I have 7 minutes. I think I can do an assembly. So let's do here. Create assembly. Oh, this assembly should be in home, actually. Oh, wait, I cannot take it out. Right, anyway, I can delete it. And I can go back to home. I can do assembly. I can call it clicker. Clicker assembly. And now here I can insert the clicker case. I mean, ideally, I would I can fix, and now I can do the lid, and I can do good, plane, here to here, yes, and then here to here, yes, Now it doesn't move. Okay, then this face and this face. I mean, you get the idea. We have to also put the bolts and everything we have done so far, but that's pretty much the whole deal on the clicker. Yeah, pretty much. Awesome. Great. Well, I mean, we will still have to 3D model the buttons and the bolts, but I think this is pretty much like what we need. And we can also submit these two for printing. All right. See you in the next one.